Greetings. Welcome to today's presentation. My theme is the four horsemen of Jamaica's slow economical growth dilemma. And today's topic is Jamaican government lacks vision to grow the economy. Now, first, let me say this. I'm not doing these videos because of any political affiliation. I'm a diaspora for the past over 30 years. So we have no interest in any one political party. We care about Jamaica. And any party that holds in power, we would still be questioning their credibility, their plans, and how to grow the economy better. And that's what we should do as Jamaicans, both home and abroad. You should question your government as to how the economy is going to grow. Don't just be, this is my party, that's your party. We shouldn't be just saying to ourselves that it's my party in power now, so I'm going to just blindly follow this party. You need to question your party. They work for you. And Jamaica has been growing by 1% per annum for the past 60 years since independence on average, and that needs to change. Jamaica has fallen behind other Caribbean countries. Forget about America and Canada and and UK. Think about Caribbean countries. Jamaica has fallen behind other Caribbean countries. So other Caribbean countries are 3 times richer than Jamaica, like Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, and Barbados. So because we are 300% behind those other Caribbean countries, it means that it will take Jamaica 30 years, growing by 10% per year, to catch up those other countries. So we have a lot of work to do. But the good thing is that our labor force are more affordable. So we have scope for growth. We are one of the largest Caribbean countries, or the largest English-speaking Caribbean country. Jamaica is, and so and because wages is low in Jamaica as well, so that means that we have capacity for growth. And the one product that we can use to grow the economy is the tourism industry. But the current Minister of Tourism, he runs around the world like a headless chicken, telling everybody else around the world how whatever area Jamaica is doing well in the tourism industry. The other country in the world are telling us how to do anything. So why are we telling them our little secrets, or our little what work in Jamaica? So and then he doesn't know the numbers. He doesn't even know what home and hotel Jamaica would need to grow the economy, or to increase the hotel industry, tourism industry rapidly. The Minister of Tourism went on air a couple weeks ago and said the new Princess Resort Hotel will bring in an extra 350,000 visitors each year to Jamaica. He made a big mistake. He counted the number of nights in the year and number of rooms the hotel have, and come with a figure of 350,000, which is incorrect, because each visitor spend 10 nights in Jamaica, not 1 night. So the figure in his mind, the way how he's thinking, would have been 35,000 visitors each year. If Jamaica want 250,000 visitors each year, then we need 10 large hotels each year. 10 hotels each year we need in Jamaica to grow the economy by 10% per year, every year. But there are no joint up thinking between Edmund Bartlett, the Prime Minister, Alban Hill, Nigel Clark. They come in here every day and talking, I don't want to say nonsense, but it's nonsense. They boast about the low unemployment rate in Jamaica, 4.5%. But people are counted as employed if they are washing a car, on the street side for a couple of hours each day. So the guy who's selling candy on the street counted as employed. The lady who wash her neighbor's clothes for a living to earn a little bread, half a day each week, she's counted as employed, because you only need to be doing 1 hour's work each week to be counted as employed. These figures were made up by developed countries, America and UK, etc. So they have a different system. when people in the UK and USA and Canada are not working, they are living off benefit. So that head count suits them. Doesn't suit Jamaica. Because in Jamaica, if you're not working, you will starve to death. No help from the government. So you have to go and do something. However simple it is. And you're counted as employed, but you're not really employed. So anyway, there are hundreds of thousands of Jamaicans who will welcome a job in the tourism industry. But they don't want to go and work halfway around the country. They want to work in their own parish or near their own community where they live. And that's why the tourism industry is spread around Jamaica so that the Jamaican economy can start growing by 10% per year. But the Jamaican government lacks the vision. I repeat, the Jamaican government lacks the vision of how to grow the economy by 10% per year every year. They don't have a plan. The only plan that they have is to give you a couple of houses, give you a couple of donkeys, as this person did, some months ago, give you, a water, give you water in your community, a little water here, a little light there, a little road there. You see, they run around like headless chicken. Yes, I give you the road. Yes, I give you a little road from fix your road. Yes, I give you the 5 houses over here. You don't need that. You don't even need to build. You know what? The government don't need to build one house in Jamaica. Look what the criminals does. The government says criminals. We're running a lodge. The criminals, they capture government land, they lot up the land and sell to people at a reasonable price, like $200,000 or such alike. And people buy those properties, those lands, and build houses. Nice big houses. You see? So the criminals are showing the government what to do. What you're going to do is cut the land, put in the road, put in the infrastructure, put in the light, and sell people the land, let them build them house themselves. Simple as that. And then you could do that 100,000 each year, 50,000 each year, like that for the next 5 years or 10 years, whatever it will take. And so what I'm saying is that the government is focusing on the wrong thing. You need to focus on how to grow the Jamaican economy. Once the economy is growing, people have job, people will make their own plans and their own ways. And the tourism industry is the best thing to do that with. And the government could say to people that if you work for 3 years or 5 years and pay your national housing trust payments each month or each week from your wages, then after 5 years or 3 years or whatever the case may be, you will get a piece of land, or 1 square of land to build your house. And cut up the land, give to the people in their community, in their parishes. But give them jobs. What they need is jobs. Jobs. Okay? And that's what you can go to the economy. Because, if you put 300,000 people in Jamaica to work who are idling now, people in their 40s, people in their 30s, put them to work for the next 30 years, the next 20 years till they retire. You get that sense of pride. There's a lot of ladies, grandmothers in their 40s, mothers in their 20s and early 30s. They need jobs, and if they get a full-time job, they will take it. Because many of them are hustling a few hours each week, 1 day, 2 days each week. They need proper jobs, full-time jobs, even if it's minimum wage job. They take that now, minimum wage job, and over the years, it slowly increases as well. But we need the foreign investment from the tourism industry. And that will build the roads, that will build the schools, the hospitals, because of the increased income from the rapidly expanding tourism industry around Jamaica. And that's what we need, the vision that we need to grow the Jamaican economy. God bless you. God bless Prime Minister. God bless the government. They've been busy doing a few things, but they're not joined up. But we're praying for them. God bless them. God bless the country. God bless the Jamaican people. And may we prosper and break the curse of the 1% growth and start growing double digits. God bless you. See you in my next video. Peace.